Yo guys, Capital Bro C and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going over IC Markets, the Forex broker. So this is a broker that has been very long in the market. This is one of the first brokers I got introduced to when I started trading. So we're gonna go over basically the broker. It's like a review and how to use it basically. And we'll also how to use it on TradingView. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and yeah, put notifications on for more videos like this. So yeah, like I mentioned, this is the first broker I ever used when I started with Forex. So I didn't even at the time we weren't used to HFM, weren't used to XM. So yeah, so this is just the home screen. The color theme is the Capital Bro colors, coincidentally. So it is green, black, and white. So you can see the spreads from zero spread. So pips, it's a very so it's all I can say is a very long. So the long you are in the game, the better you are. Like for example, our FTM always with the but FTM was not okay, but we're getting sidetracked. So this is basically the home screen. You can see excellent 4.8 out of 5, first of all. Obviously, the main one is MT5 and C Trader. And yeah, so this we'll go over the platform and how to use it and payment methods, deposit methods, and the overall part of it. So yeah, so we can start. We're gonna show you how you can connect it also to your trading view. So all of us basically use trading view to do your analysis, but some of you might do it in Identify. But now with IC Market, you can place your trade on trading view, so you don't need a phone or you don't need a second device. So you do your analysis and you trade from here, which is dope. So yeah, we can start from the home screen, the typical stuff. So this is your home screen when you log in. This is what you'll see. You'll have your accounts on this side. You can see we'll go over the accounts as well. You'll just have some notification news. You'll have the markets, economic calendar, as you can see there, and then just obviously they are regulated in a lot of countries. So forgot to mention that. So if you go to accounts, this is where you can open demo account if you're new to trading. So demo account, you can start. So you can start with the demo account via what do you call it as well, TradingView as well. But then you can do a demo account for MT5 as well. So you can see MT5. We have C Trader, which is TradingView, and then you have MT4. MT4, outdated guys. It's basically just C Trader, TradingView, and MT5. So here's demo account. So you can start here. Then you can say open a new demo account, and then will have you, like example, you want the raw spread, standard spread, you leverage initial amount, so you can change this whatever you want to, and you can choose the platform. So if you want to connect this to trading, we'll click C Trader, and then we'll get there to that point. This is just your wallet account, which is your live accounts. This is your transaction history, which is basically just your trade and stuff. So deposit. So this is where it's straightforward, guys. So that you basically just deposit. So I've usually what I used to do in the past is use, for example, my bank account, but now I've gotten used to, for example, Skrill or Skrill. I'm not sure exactly on the pronunciation of it. So it's basically like PayPal, but I've gotten used to because a lot of like sometimes the credit card or like your normal card can take a while, but now with the e-wallet, it basically gets there instantaneously. And okay, the fees is a little bit the fees is a little bit tight, I would say on this one, but it's instantaneously. So if it's basically like PayPal. So it's the Skrill, yeah, this one, yeah. And then withdraw, straightforward. If you have profit, you can go to withdraw. Transfer. So there is different accounts. For example, if you want to transfer from your Skrill from your live to your C Trade live, you can swap between the two. Trades basically just your trades. VPS, your partners is if you want to be affiliate. So if you want to sign up, the code will be down below. You do get certain bonuses. I don't know exact bonuses. Downloads, for example, this is where you can download links to the official stuff. So don't always go to other links on your own. So MT5, WebTrader, Apple, Mac, iPhone, whatever your trade is. So insights, straightforward. So insights basically stocks and trading stocks. So I think this is like the trading. So they have stocks. I wouldn't think, yeah, you can trade stocks as well. So depending on what your commodity is called, Forex. So for example, Amazon, if you want to trade Amazon, Microsoft is up 17%. So also trading basically straightforward. And then the most important tab is the support hub. So if you have any problems, do contact them there. And also try to get the email as well. And then in the right top corner is basically just your documents. So if you want to sign up, you obviously need KYC, which is, for example, your government ID, a bank statement, or proof of residence. So it's one of these. So now we're going to get to the actual part of how to trade on TradingView. So if you go to TradingView, you have your thing set up, for example. you'll see there's a button basically trade here. So you'll click this. So now you'll see there's IC market. So they have all these other ones, which is paper trading, which is just demo trading, Trade Nation, Think Markets. So there's a lot of other brokers. There's futures as well. And then obviously we want to go. So the highest one is for, okay, Trade Nation, I've never heard of this. And you have IC markets. So you click on IC markets. So depending on your one, if it's EU, so I think it's just the standard IC markets. So this is where it will prompt you with a connect. So usually it will bring up another prompt. For example, if you already signed in, if you did allow this, they'll basically just say login. So you'll click that. So if you're not logged in, you're gonna have to log in. So then it asks you for your stuff. You'll just sync your data. Now it's syncing, and there you can see now you basically logged in with this account, which I'm logged in here. It's now on my trading view. So now you can just click, for example, trade. A new tab should appear. So you can just, sometimes they use their own symbol. So even though it's GPU, you have to use their hander. I'm not sure the exact chart. So, but you can just click trade and it will automatically pick for you. So this is where you can start trading. So now you can see you can do your limit, stop limit. So you should know these ones by now. For example, if you wanted to do a limit buy, which is, for example, is a long, so you'll just do this. I mean, a short, so you'll do it from your thing. For example, here. Now you know this is your trade. You already signed in your trade. So now you can just drag this. So you can see, for example, it shows $7, but we don't want to risk $7. We want to risk, for example, $2. So then you'll do that. You put your TP, for example, it's a 1 to 2. We'll just do now a market buy. And then we'll click, okay, why is it doing that? That must be above entry price, which we did. Oh, we're doing it such the wrong one. So, for example, my mistake there, we did a long, which we did. The wrong one. We'll just do a sell, for example. Yeah, you click sell or buy. So this is one mistake I made. So click sell. You click your stop loss should be there. DP is there, and then you click sell. So obviously I made a mistake here. I did the buy, so you'll obviously click sell. So you can see there your dollars is basically showing. So we'll do a 1 to 2, or say a 1 to 1.5, and then you basically just click sell. And now your trade is active on the account, so it already has your the stop loss and your take profit. And at the bottom, you'll just see your orders, order history, account summary, and so on. Yeah. So that's basically IC markets. Why I like to use it is because you can use it with TradingView, and I don't want to use MT5 all the time. So that's, I would say, the biggest plus side to using IC markets. So yeah, that is today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, to comment it down below. If you want to sign up for IC markets, there will also be a link down below where you can sign up. Like I said, there's certain bonuses. But yeah, I'm Capital Bro C. I'll spot you in the next one. Peace out.